Go on.
Whoa. Can't see a car in front of me.
Oh my god. Flood!
Look at that there.
Oh my god. It's actually flooded.
Why, is there like the river here or the canal or something?
What the hell? I didn't think it had actually... It said 24 hours... a month's rainfall in 24 hours. Hello?
Oh my god! Hey!
See? Rainwater. I didn't think it'd actually flood, you know, round here. Oh my friggin' god!
Whoa!
So, Mother, let's have your take on this flood.
I'm scared. That's my take on it.
Oh my phone's wet. De-water.
Racket.
So, Mum, were you expecting to see this on the way home?
No, I was shocked and horrified by the brownness of it.
Lol.